Hello, I'm Dr. Kishore Kumar, Senior Neonatologist at Cloudnine Group of Hospitals and also the Founder Chairman of Cloudnine Group of Hospitals. I'm more of a perinatologist because I'm interested in antenatal care of babies in the pregnant mothers. Prenatal classes have become a normal routine in most of the developed countries. It's a new concept in India when we started Cloudnine 12 years ago. If you look at the reasons why prenatal classes are important, the current modern generation don't believe in what the parents say. At the same time, many of the current mothers are nuclear families with no support from the extended family, which used to happen in the past. So that calls for knowledge hunger. When the knowledge hunger happens, sometimes these days people Google and they find all sorts of information which frightens them. So the scientific classes or prenatal classes are very, very important to learn about pregnancy and learn about childbirth and learn about how to cope with the babies after they're being born. Scientific studies have shown that couples who attend prenatal classes do much better as parents compared to those who are not attended. So with that background, we started prenatal classes in Cloudnine from the day we started 12 years ago. Initially, we used to get only 1 or 2 couples. Now we almost have 500 couples attending every month. Sometimes even grandparents attend the classes to train themselves to cope with the modern generation. So it has become part and parcel of Cloudnine mantra in celebrating the clinical excellence and customer experience in Cloudnine Group of Hospitals.